Hi, good morning. I am Payal Bansal and I'm the founder of the Solutions Architect Academy. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 working professionals and students achieve growth, being able to manage their own infrastructure and design solutions using tools like Career Growth Launchpad and Practical Implementation Challenge. When I joined IT 15 years back, it was very easy for me to get into the IT industry. I learned Java on the way, but practical usage, it was a challenge. Like every site will tell you what is a static keyword, but where and when to use it comes only via practical implementation. Here, we will be getting insights on how to build your own infra, manage it, using CI/CD, serverless architecture, managing microservices on the cloud, monolithic app deployment, asynchronous messaging, plus the very best practices. But this is the end goal and never ending. The first step is targeting AWS Solutions Architect certification in coming 2 to 3 months. I am Payal Bansal, having 15 years of IT experience and 4 years training IT professionals around the world getting a command on various technologies. So, who is this group for? Are you someone working or stepping into IT and wants to experience the career growth by being able to architect and design solutions at the infrastructure level? Are you the one who knows things theoretically but don't know how to bring them to code or design solutions out of this? Are you facing a challenge keeping up to date with the growing technologies and don't know where to pick, which one to pick, and where to start? Would you like to know how to build an enterprise level system where thousands of services would be communicating with each other and how to deploy them on cloud? Are you facing challenge getting meaningful insights for the data which you have, or security and compliance makes your head rolling? If you fall into any of these categories, this group is for you. Into technical expertise, or if you have lack of exposure, you have a fear of failure, you have time constraints but want to reach the top ladder with limited and focused time and effort, you have difficulty finding resources or don't know where to start, or you get overwhelmed with the growing technologies. Herein, we will work on the 6-step model which will help you climb the ladder of success in your career at a rocket speed level. So the 6 steps would be like first, finding your niche. Second, gathering right tools, that is the skills which would help you achieve your goals. Third would be practice, implement and hands-on. Make learning fun and it should be a group learning. Working upon your interpersonal skills by engaging, building the community and sharing the feedback. Creating your own website and the last but not the least, your portfolio building. Since we are looking up to the solutions architect role, I would like you to take a pen and write down the answer for the following questions before we jumpstart into the AWS solutions architect journey. What qualities make you fit for the job as the solution architect? Question number 2. What projects do you want to manage within 3 months of starting this job as a solutions architect? Question number 3. How comfortable are you speaking to people about technical topics? If we ask your coworker to describe you in one word, what would they say? Question number 4. What are your weaknesses when performing the duties as a solution architect? Question number 5. What coding language do you think you are fluent in and how many? Question number 6. How does your educational background prepare you to be a solutions architect? Last question is, explain one solution architect project which you have done in the past in your portfolio. Key learnings for being a solution architect, what every solution architect should know. Designing a resilient architecture, networking and compute services, storage, database and migration, high availability and scalability, application services, logging and security. By end of March, you will be able to run a monolithic application on AWS, configure CI/CD for it, implement networking, caching, security, performance improvement, load balancing, and store and manage data on AWS. We are targeting, as you all know, the AWS Solution Certificate examinations by end of the March. So how is it going to help you? It will help you increase visibility, high conversion rate, loyal and engaged community, better job, more seeking engagements, knowledge growth, personal business, growing your connections. So we have a webinar this 15th wherein we'll dive into S3 service of AWS and see where it fits in. While we are designing solutions in cloud and the set of questions which could come in the certification of AWS. Now, the prerequisite is you watch all the videos uploaded on the channel and create a cheat sheet about key learnings for each topic covered in the video. like what is an object lock, how to use it, difference in retention modes, what is the legal hold. This is something which is covered in your video 4. Now, if your question comes into exam, like with respect to the company compliance, you need to store data on S3, but no one should be able to edit, delete the data, not even the root user. Which one do you think would be the best option? Choices are, you store it on S3 and use object lock with compliance retention mode. Option 2 is store it on S3 and use object lock with governance retention mode. 3 is apply legal hold on the object alone. This alone would help. And choice number 4 is use IAM policy to block even root user from accessing it. You see, so watching videos and creating a cheat sheet is must. This must be your first step. On 15th where we join, we should have our cheat sheets ready for S3. But those who are new to AWS and feel doing this is as a challenge, they can go on their own pace with learning. But my first aim is to wrap up all the content preparation for the AWS Certified Solution exams by end of the March. So all of those who are with me, who are targeting certification with me at this pace, they think they should be able to finish the first step, that is going through the S3 videos uploaded on a channel by 15th and get their cheat sheets ready. I'll be creating a separate group and adding these people there. So is this webinar free? No, the entry fee for the webinar would be your cheat sheets, which you would be getting ready on this topic. So the time and date for this webinar will be 15th of January, evening 7 to 9. It should be one page, looking at which you can recall everything you read and learned about S3. So see you then. Thank you. Bye.